Exercise 13.3 related to cone. Okay. So what is cone? That is exercise class 9. Okay. Like this side shaped in geometry is called cone. Is called cone. Now, height of the cone means that portion, that line. Okay, that is the height of the cone. And this is called radius of the base of the cone, and that height is called slant height. Got it, everyone? So parts of that is called height. This one is base diameter, radius, and that height is called slant height. Okay, so these are the parts of it is denoted by slant height is denoted by L. Now give me some example what you have seen in your daily life which is like cone shapes, tell me, give me some example. Birthday crab, yes, first example, that is birthday crab. Okay, which one? 8 oak, 8 pine is not here, sir, I think. No, 8 pine, 9 completed. Ice cream cone, yes, that is also concept. Amrita and Nafisa, 2 examples only came. Other examples, funnel, yes, you can say funnel, just cut the upper portion, that can be a conical tent. Yes, conical tent is the good example, that is example of cone. Okay, any tent, Rajonna tent, okay. Funnel, Somnath funnel, okay. So now what is the relation between slant height, radius of the base, and that angle is 90 degree. As that angle is 90 degree, that slant height can be treated as hypotenuse, base and height. We know that by the Pythagoras theorem there is a relation that L square equal to A square plus B square. Okay, slant height square equal to height square of the cone equal to radius square of the cone. That is the relation between L, H and R. Note it down, it is very much useful when we are going to solve the sum. This is very much useful. Okay, now what is the formula of curved surface area? Curved surface area means that portion, only that one, not that circle area portion. Okay, that is not belong in curved surface area. Curved surface is that lateral surface area. Okay, what is the formula of curved surface area? That is pi r l, pi into r into l, that is pi r l. Okay, now what is total surface area? Total surface area of cone means just curved surface area plus that area of the square, area of that circle. Curved surface area plus area of the circle. So pi r l, and area of that circle, that is pi r square. So by taking common pi r, you can write L plus r. Okay, so TSA of cone is pi r into r plus L, pi r into r plus L. Got it, everyone? That is the total surface area. Now volume, what will be the formula of volume of the cone? That formula is, in case of cylinder, we have remembered that the area of volume of that cylinder, that is pi r square h. Here it's just 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 pi r square h. So these four are the formula. The relation between radius, height and slant height, that is L square equal to H square plus R square. Curved surface area pi r l, volume 1/3 pi r square is, and TSA pi rl plus pi r square plus equal to pi r into r plus L. These four are the required necessary formula. Now, question number 1 of exercise. Question number 1 of exercise 13.3. Diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. Diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 meter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its the curved surface area. Find its curved surface area. So first of all, students, radius, question number 1, radius will be 10.5 by 2. Radius will be 10.5 by 2 and slant, that is centimeter, and slant height is given, that is 10 centimeter. So 10.5 centimeter by 2 means 5.25 centimeter. 5.25 centimeter. Okay, that is the radius of the base of that cone, and L equal to 10 centimeter. You were asked that what is the CSA? Find its CSA quickly. What is the formula of CSA? Tell me quickly. What is the formula of CSA? Tell me quickly. Pi RL, okay? So that is pi RL. Okay, pi RL into 5.25 into 10. Now, well, 22 into 7.5, 22 into 7.5, that will be 7.25 into 22. 165 centimeter square. So what is the area, curved surface area? Curved surface area of that cone, that is 165 centimeter square. Got it, everyone? Any problem regarding the first sum? Any problem regarding the first sum? Okay, no sir. Okay. Okay. Now moving on the next sums. Okay. Find the TSA of a cone if its slant height is 21 centimeter and diameter by 24 centimeter. Question number 2. Slant height is 21 meter. That is, slant height means L. 21 centimeter and diameter 24 centimeter, not 24 meter. 21 meter and diameter is 24 meter. It means radius will be 12 meter, as diameter is 24 centimeter, radius will be 12 meter. You have to find the total surface area. Now tell me, what is the formula of total surface area of a cone? Total surface area of a cone. Total surface area means, students, that area plus that area, that is curved surface area, plus the area of that circle, that is the total surface area. Formula only one students have written, pi RL plus pi R square. Ronit Dotto and Rajonna Banerjee. Other students, I think. Okay. Nafisa, 3 people are typing. Quickly. Pi R L plus pi R square. Yes. That is pi R into R plus L. So pi R value 22/7, R 12, R plus L. L means 21, R means 12. 22 into 12, 21 plus 12, 21 plus 12, that is 33. Now we have to product it. That will be 22 into 12, 264 into 33 by 7. Now 264 into 33. Calculate it yourself. 264 into 3. Eight seven one two by 7. Now divide it. Okay, that is yet 8712 by 7, that is 1245 124457 1244.57. That is the total surface area. Of that cone. Okay, anyone have any problem? Regarding the sum number 2? Okay, now moving on, question number 3. Okay, CSA of a cone is 308 centimeter square. If the slant height is 14 meter, find the radius of the base and also CSA. Okay, here 2 questions asked in that part, 2 parts. So first you have to find radius, then After evaluating the radius, we can calculate the total surface area of that cone. First of all, slant height is given. Question number 3. Slant height is given. Slant height is 14 centimeter and CS is given 308 centimeter. So you need L, you need R. Let radius of the base equal to R centimeter. Radius of the base equal to R centimeter. Okay, now what is the formula of CSA? Tell me quickly. What is the formula of CSA of cone? What is the formula of CSA of a cone? Quickly, quickly. That is pi RL. 22/7. R means we have to find R, and L 14. 7. 44 R. Now that is the CSA equal to 44 R, and it is also given CSA equal to 308. Both are the CSA. So according to the question, for 44 R equal to 308. 44 R equal to 308. Now R equal to 308 by 44. Cut it by 11. It will be 4. It will be 2, 8, 7. 7 is the radius of the base. 7 is, yes, Amrita, 7 centimeter. Very good. 7 centimeter is the radius of the base. It means that point is 7 centimeter, and slant height is given 14 centimeter. Next we have to find Next we have to find that what is total surface area. So total surface area, formula of total surface area, that is pi r into r plus L. 22/7 into r 12. Sorry, r is r. We have find that r equal to 7. L is 14 plus r. That is also 7. That is also 7. So 22 into 7. So cut it 7 into 7. So 22 into 14 plus 7, 21. 21 into 22, 21 into 22, 42 into 42, 264. So 462 centimeter square. 462 centimeters square. Okay. So that is the total surface area of the cone in question number 4. Okay. So student, up to question number 3 today I have solved. Next day I will start solving from question number 5, question number 4. Okay, student.